This is a quick video about converting the rear window on one of these second-gen Dodge Rams over to a single slider. When I first bought this truck, it had the dual slider, non-tinted. One of the sliding windows was actually broken out of there, and it had just a piece of plexiglass in there. I called a glass shop and they were actually really annoyed that I even thought that I might be able to get a new window for this truck. They just told me I'd have to go to a junkyard, and that was the end of it. Called another shop and they told me about this one. I believe this is CR Lawrence Automotive Products. The glass guy kind of warned me that it's a little bit smaller, although I haven't really had an issue with it. I did paint this truck after getting that window installed though, but either way, it's been in there for probably about 5 or 6 years now. I'm not sure if something rubbed against this. I don't think that's, yeah, actually not even sure. I never noticed that until today. Either way, some of the paint's come off. Aside from that though, this has been a huge upgrade. It's tinted, which is nice. I always hated those dual slider things. So this one is just a single now, much easier to open up when you're out driving. So anyways, quick little video. Let me know if you've ever used this one or one like it and what you think. All right, talk to you later.